fix Facebook cannot tag someone in your post? First of all, open your Facebook account and make sure that you are logged in. Now after that, tap on the hamburger menu and tap on Settings and Privacy over here. Now, under Setting and Privacy, simply tap on the first icon, that is the Settings. Tap over here. Now scroll it down until you find Profile and Tagging. This should be available under Audience and Visibility. So tap on Profile and Tagging. Now scroll down a bit and here you'll find Tagging and Implied Mentions. Now you can see here who can see post you're tagging on your profile. Simply tap on it and make sure that you have selected friends. You can also select on everyone if you want to try it, or if you want anyone across the world to tag you. Now to confirm your decision, tap on save icon and the setting will be changed. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily Facebook this tagging problem on Facebook. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you find it useful. Thank you for watching this video guys.